From brokenness to wholeness through Jesus. Broken world. Broken hearts. But there is a perfect Savior. Everywhere you look, there is brokenness. Broken families. Broken trust. Broken minds. Broken hearts. And people are trying to function, while carrying pieces of themselves that were shattered along the way. Some were broken by people. Some were broken by situations. Some were broken by their own decisions. But broken is not the end of your story. Jesus specializes in restoration. Psalm 147:3 says, "He healeth the broken in heart, and bindeth up their wounds." That means He doesn't just see your pain, He steps into it. He doesn't ignore your wounds, He heals them. And not just on the surface. He goes deep. He restores your identity. He renews your mind. He rebuilds your heart. Where there was pain, He brings peace. Where there was emptiness, He brings fullness. Where there was brokenness, He brings wholeness. There is no heart too damaged. No life too far gone. No story too messy. Because when Jesus steps in, broken things are made whole again.